If you have natural hair, you need this brush and this routine. I'm starting out on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I've already blow dried part of it to speed up the process of this video. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're no subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you the products that I use to blow out my hair and semi-flatten it and get it straight so that in the morning I can take it out and it will have a body wave. Sometimes after I wash my hair, it's pretty daunting to start the process of flat ironing or even blow drying, but knowing that I have this heat brush to do most of the work for me, I tackled the task. While I'm doing my hair, I'm also watching YouTube, watching other people do their hair as well, the same type of thing. I find it so inspiring. Let me know what you do when you do your own hair. Are you watching a hair video on YouTube or are you listening to music? Comment down below. Alright guys, so I just showed you guys how I iron my hair when I don't want to get it blown straight. So this is like a blowout at home. I'm using a Salonia heat brush. I got this in Japan. This works really great when you don't want your hair to be blown straight. Like, so I still have a little bit of texture in my roots. I'm going to show you with the camera. And then that's fine with me because I already did this side of my hair. Go ahead and put a braid in it and then leave it all day, and then I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow morning. So I'm going for body waves. Sometimes I don't feel like ironing my hair, but today using that brush made it super easy. Anyone can use it, especially if you are young, like maybe 13, 14, 15, and you're just now learning how to do your own hair. And then if you don't know how to braid your own hair, you might have to get someone to do that for you or look at a couple YouTube videos on how to braid. But braiding's pretty easy. I learned when I was young on my Bratz dolls. Comment down below if you had a Bratz doll head. Like I had the Brat head. So I used to always practice on that. Yeah, pretty much almost done. Adding that Carol's Daughters oil will keep it looking shiny and smooth. Keep it looking shiny and smooth. And then when I get to this part of my hair, the front, to make it easier to finish the braid, like so. But it still gets the job done. Alright, so I'll show you guys what this looks like tomorrow. Of course, put a scarf on your head before you go to bed so that it keeps it smooth and less frizzy. And then if you have any frizz control oil, you can add that too. Sometimes I also use this brand, the Redken Frizz Dismiss. The amount that I use for the anti-frizz oil is just a little small drop, like, y'all, teeny. You do not have to put a whole lot of oil on your hair because you do want your hair to move and not be all stiff, right? So it's pretty much done. I'm gonna go out, run some errands for the day. All right, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the morning.